Checking out the view from Holston Mountain this morning. We've got some of those high clouds still around, but overall, pretty nice start to the day here on Saturday. A cool start relatively into the low 50s this morning for our start. Calm winds out there, a little bit cloud cover sticking around, which is actually why we're a little warmer than we're going to be tonight. The clouds will eventually scour out tonight, and that will allow for us to drop down into the 40s. Here's a view from Kingsport, Southwest Virginia Community College, Johnson City, and Pennington Gap. Notice those clouds around a large part of the region with temperatures generally in the upper 40s to low 50s as we start off this Saturday. 53 Kingsport, Bristol, 52 in Johnson City, 52 into Marion, and 49 into Richlands and Jonesville on this Saturday morning. Here's your highs for this afternoon, okay? 71, 72 degrees into Kingsport and Johnson City. What that will do is set us up for a pretty nice afternoon, but it's still below average, okay? So average temperature this time of year is around 78 degrees, so a little bit below what we should expect for this time of the year. Kind of more similar temperatures to what we expect in October than the middle part of September. 73 into Gate City this afternoon, upper 60s into Lebanon, same thing into Abingdon, and around 71 in Clintwood and Grundy with partly to mostly cloudy skies through Saturday. Now, here's the kind of look at our average temperatures, right? 78 our normal high. Look at the departure from average. About 5 degrees cooler for the Tri-Cities today, 10 degrees into Marion, 15 into Boone, and around 10 degrees to 11 degrees there into Wise and Norton. Through the next 10 days, we're going to keep that cooler weather around, at least through Tuesday. Then we'll start to warm up gradually as we head into Wednesday and Thursday and later on into next week. Some indications we may start to return back to our near average or maybe even slightly above average temperatures as we go into next weekend. That will also allow for us to return to a little bit of a wetter pattern at times. Now, for the next couple of days, not a whole lot in terms of rain chances to talk about. Biggest weather factor we'll have is this area high pressure here to the north. You notice some rain down here across parts of Louisiana. What that's associated with is actually Tropical Storm Beta, and that will allow for a little bit of cloud cover to stream up into our area, but not a whole lot of moisture. Temperatures staying in the 70s, dew points in the 40s. There's some very dry air around for Sunday into Monday. We are kind of getting into that time of the year too when things start to burn a little bit easier. So be careful if you're having those bonfires outside with the dry conditions, especially as we go towards Tuesday and Wednesday. It won't take a whole lot to spark some faster moving fires if your bonfire gets out of control. Here's your temperatures for tomorrow morning, generally in the 40s across the region. Some areas may flirt with the upper 30s in a few areas. I'm thinking Mountain City and Rome Mountain, that would be the most likely spots. Record low for Monday is 39 degrees. Record low for Tuesday, also 39 degrees. First day of fall on Tuesday there, around 9:31. Hey, look at this map. It's a busy one, all right? This is all the systems we've had so far in 2020 for the Atlantic hurricane season. In fact, so many that we ran out of names, and we're now in the Greek alphabet. So far, we've gone through Alpha and Beta, and we'll see how much further we get down that list. Here's Tropical Storm Beta. I show you this heading towards Texas because this is going to have a slight implication on our weather for late next week. We could see a little bit of moisture try to work its way off of this storm and make its way up into our region. Generally, as we go into Friday, main impact would be a couple showers, not expecting anything too crazy. Here's your 7-day forecast, and you notice temperatures there generally in the 70s through much of the week, with temperatures overnight at times in the 40s, warming up into the mid-50s there later in the week.